हाय किड्स इस वीडियो में हम टेस्ट करेंगे A B C D A to Z. Let's start. A for apple. B for bat. C for cat. D for duck. E for eagle. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for moon. N for nest. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for tiger. U for unicorn. V for van. W for well. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Kids, read again. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.